Alrighty, let's try this one again. Hopefully there's audio. Welcome to the live stream, everybody. My name is Mitch, or the Bajan Canadian, and thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to be playing ourselves some lovely Money Wars here on Savage Games. And my face looks really discolored right now. But what I wanted to do, because this is like attempt 2 of booting the stream up, it was muted and no sound, no audio, it was weird. What I wanted to do was simply go ahead and fudge me up. This is oh my god, I hate this. Why? Why am I getting trolled so dang badly? Hopefully, alright, sorry, I'm checking the stream, I'm getting raged at, and there's no audio still. Why? Why is there never audio? I'm trying to figure this out. This is a test stream, everybody. Brilliant test stream. And settings and output and recording and streaming, and why is this screwing me over? I have no idea literally whatsoever why it's doing this. Excellent. Maybe I'm not streaming.
Canadian, and thank you for tuning in.
Wait.
Today we're going to be playing ourselves some
There is audio. You guys lied to me.
And
You
my
guys
face
lied
looks
to me.
really discolored right now. But what I
Okay, well,
wanted
I'm
to
gonna
do, this is
reboot the
like
stream for
attempt
round
2
3.
of booting
I'm gonna
the
make sure
stream,
that
but it was
the
muted and
stream
no
here on
sound, no audio. It was
YouTube
weird.
cuts itself so
What I
that
wanted to
it doesn't
do
edit post
was,
as all in one
simply
weird
go
blend
ahead
of
and
nothing. So
fudge
I'll
me
see you
up.
in
This is
a minute
oh my
or two.
God.
Yeah, don't go anywhere.
Why?
Sorry about that, guys. This
Why
is really
am I
annoying.
getting trolled